So then 13th group or third A group, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, NH2, NP1. So next one is fourth A group. It is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, and what is lead. It is NH2, NH2, NP2. It is NH2, NP2. So now fifth group elements. So nitrogen, it is phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and what is bismuth. It is NH2, NP3. It means all these elements with 5 valency electrons. So then sixth A group or 16th group, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and what is polonium. So it is NH2, NP4, NH2, NP4. All these elements with 6 valence electrons. So these are belong to 16th group or 6th A group in the periodic table. So 7th A group or 17th, it is a fluorine, it is a chlorine, it is a bromine, iodine, and what is astatine? It is NH2, NP5. So remaining elements, what are noble gases? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. Its configuration is NH2, NP6. It contains 6 valence electrons. So these are 8th A group or 18th group in the long form of the periodic table. So first group, first group elements NS1, second group NH2. First group NS1, second group NH2. So first and second group elements is known as S block elements. What are S block elements? So S block elements is NS122. S block elements is NS122. So now 13th group to 18th group or third A group to 8th A group is known as P block elements. What is P block elements? So then its general electronic configuration NH2, 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 NH2. So then NH2, NP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So then NH2, NP 1 to 6. NH2, NP 1 to 6. So these are P block elements. So these are S block elements. In these, total all S and P block elements. What are all S and P block elements except 8th A group or 18th group elements is known as representative elements. What are representative elements? What are S block elements? It is NS122, P block NP 1 to 6, but except 0 group, except 18th group. So then NH2, NS122, NP125 configuration elements are representative elements. So the next one is what is third B group elements actually. What is third B group elements? So already is third group elements. So best example is actually it is scandium, it is titanium, it is vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, and what is zinc. What is copper and zinc? So now, for example, scandium atomic number is 21. Its configuration based on nearest noble gas, that is argon 18, 4H2 3D1. What is 4H2 3D1? So then it consists of how many valence electrons? 4H2 3D1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Is the third group of B. Third B subgroup. What is third B subgroup? So then titanium is what is? Then all 4H2 3D2. So vanadium is 3D3. So chromium is 3D4. Manganese is 3D5. Iron is 3D6. Cobalt is 3D7. Nickel is 3D8. Copper is 3D9. So now zinc is 3d10. What is 3d10? So then 4s means it is ns. What is ns? Okay, ns. Then it is n minus 1d. So 4s means n equal to 4. 3d means what is d equal to 3 means n minus 1. D equal to n minus 1. So then ns 1 to 2, n minus 1d 1 to 10. 1 to 10. It is simple configuration of the third to 12th group of elements. So now scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. These are the simple electronic configuration of groups and periods. So now wherein from third B group to what is second B group, third B group to second B group, these elements is known as D block elements. These are D block elements. What are D block elements? So what are D block elements? It means n minus 1d subshell is n minus 1d. The differentiating electron enters into the n minus 1d. So then third group to 12th group elements. What is third group to 12th group elements are called D block elements. But third group to 11th group elements is known as representative elements. What are represent? It is a transition elements. What is a transition elements? Transition elements. Okay. So these are the general electronic configuration of D block elements is n minus 1d. What is 1 to 10? ns 1 to 2. 1 to 2. But transition elements is n minus 1d 1 to 9 ns 1 to 2. ns 1 to 2. It is the electronic configuration of elements groups. What are groups from first group to 18th group? First group to 18th group. So now next one is, so the next one in the bottom of the periodic table, bottom of the periodic table, two rows are present. These are the lanthanides and next one is actinides. Lanthanides and actinides. So then 4f series elements. What are 4f? 4f series elements. So next one is 5f series elements. What is 4f series and 5f series elements? So 4f series means, so then it is 5d, it is 4f, what is 4d 5f, it is 6s and 6p. Okay, 6s, 6p, 5d and 4f subshells are present in these elements. Okay, so now what are from atomic number 58 to, what is 58 to atomic number, that is 71. What is 71? So 58 element is cerium, 71 element is lutetium. So it consists of how many elements? 14 elements. What are 14 elements? So now in this differentiating electron enters into the f orbital. What is f orbital? Okay, n minus 2, wherein n minus 2 actually. So wherein n equal to, what is 6? When equal to 6, n minus 1d, so it is 5d, n minus 2f, so then it is the 4f, 4f, 5d, 6p, 6s. So the next one is 5f series elements. Okay, 5f series elements, these are atomic number from 90 to, atomic number from 90 to 103, atomic number 90 to 103. Atomic number 90 element is thorium, 103 element is lawrencium. In between 90 to 103, it consists of 14 elements. 14 elements. So then these elements is known as lanthanides. What is lanthanides? These are the lanthanides. These elements are actinides, lanthanides and actinides. So simply lanthanides are rare earth metals. These are the rare earth metals. What is the rare earth metals? Actinides are radioactive metals. What is radioactive metals? What is radioactive metals? So that is the electronic configuration of elements groups in periods.